In this short video, I'll show you how to build a supply and demand graph in Excel so you can model pricing strategies for affiliate products. First, highlight your data right here, go to the Insert tab, and go to the graph charts, which is right here in the sections. Press on Scatter, which is this one, and choose the line. Now you could finish right here, but if you wanted to change some data inside the graph, like for example, the price should be vertical instead of horizontal, you can go ahead and right click on the chart, press select data, and remove the two figures because we need to change it. Press add and click on the quantity demand for this one, the series name. For the X values, go ahead and click on the values right here for the demand. And for the Y values, put an equals, and for that will be for the price, so you can just go highlight the price like that, press OK, and there we go, we got the first one. Now for the second one, press add again, press on the quantity supplied. For the X values, put an equals and select the values of the supplies. Next, for the Y values, just go for the price again and press OK. There you go. Now you have the vertical, which is the prices, and for the quantity will be horizontal. Now you know how to build supply and demand graph in Excel. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with anything else.